insurance to my employees. My unlimited 2% cash back is more than just a perk. It's our health care. Can I say it? What's in your wallet?
The new Galaxy Note 9 has more power than you need. That's how this happens.
Line 291 has been delayed.
You need a charge. And all the plugs at screen out here.
Joy can. She's got the new iPhone on Verizon.
Just got it. Best go, best network.
Nice.
And only Verizon gives you 6 months of free Apple Music. Daryl, no. Read the room.
Sorry.
It's good. Okay.
I did it. DJ! The Neighborhood, a new comedy premiering CBS tomorrow. Okay, it's Ford Truck Month, and here's how it works. You take Ford F-150, work in best-in-class towing and payload. Sweetly Survivor's back, and it's the perfect storm.
We have been constantly led and pulled.
I'll be there to win. From the Dodger on.
New Survivor, CBS Wednesday.